Nicole and I am back with another video. I know I look a mess. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday. What's up, guys? So I am in the kitchen because I need to clean out the refrigerator, and I was like, why not film myself cleaning out the refrigerator, because it might motivate somebody else to want to do it as well. Even though I don't want to do it, but it needs to be done. So I'm gonna open up the refrigerator. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. It's a mess. Don't judge us. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this morning, because it's like 10:30 something this morning. Here go another one of those faded rags, y'all. I'm gonna give some more. I'm gonna try to find some little Valentine ones or something, and I'm gonna show y'all, but they clean, they just faded. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what the refrigerator looks like on the inside. So yeah, we're gonna clean the refrigerator out. Y'all gonna motivate me, so let me turn the camera around. I'm finna open the refrigerator. It's a mess. Look, y'all see these? It's so junky. I don't even know why. Yeah, it's just a mess. This is the only thing that don't have anything in it. Then I don't even know if I'm gonna do them drawers. But anyways, your girlfriend to make it look good. Cause one thing about me, I don't mind cleaning up, but I don't feel like doing it. But the thing about me, when I don't feel like doing it, I always turn up when I do it. But anyway, this is what everything look like. Showing y'all a before. And I'm gonna let y'all see me taking everything out the refrigerator. So I hope y'all refrigerators don't look this junky. I hope y'all's cleaner and more organized and neat. Ours is not. And our refrigerator is small too. Y'all see how small it look? It's small too. So that's why we just be stuffing stuff and digging and gribbing. But we finna take everything out. Your girl got everything out the refrigerator. Okay, let's go top shelf. Let's start with that. Y'all see how small it is? And then this is the second shelf. And then, oh my God, this is the bottom shelf. It's a hot mess. You see? Got everything. So, next is the door. So, I got to get all of these. And some of this stuff, y'all, it's probably going to get thrown away. I don't even know what some of this stuff is. I know Tanya just bought these last night when we went to the store. She said she was gonna get up this morning, y'all, and fix breakfast. But baby, when I tell y'all Tanya is not woke, she got eggs and everything. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I just see we got a brand new ketchup, so I put a ketchup over there that's got to be thrown out. And then this right here is just like my little personal. Y'all know I always gotta have some personal. This is like my little personal section. Got my water, Got Logan little juice, his milk, his Pedialyte, stuff like that. I keep my stuff right here. So, we finna get all of this stuff. I'm almost scared to get the stuff off the door because it's sticky and ew. But your girlfriend, I'm finna do it. So, I'm gonna let y'all see. Bring y'all back over here. And in this drawer, y'all, this is not nothing but like little medicines and stuff that I have for Logan. It's not a whole bunch of them. It's just all of them the same. That actually I need to throw some of those away. But we'll see. But anyways, this is what everything looks like. So I'm gonna get all of this stuff off the door. I don't think I'm gonna show y'all me getting this off the door, but I am gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like once I got it off the door. And then we're gonna warm up some hot water, get us some Clorox and some Pine Sol. We're gonna start cleaning. I'm gonna be back. Okay, so got everything out the refrigerator. Y'all see? And I got some stuff right there. I'm gonna ask my mama about all of this stuff because I don't know what she won't. Throw it away because she can't throw away her stuff. I don't care how old I feel like this. She don't feel that way, so I'm gonna ask her what's with because I don't have time. But anyway, this is what the refrigerator look like, y'all. Let me show y'all. It's the top. I want y'all to see all of these sticky, icky, gooey looking stuff, cause baby, let me show y'all how shelf, I said shelf, I'm just greedy, how pro do it. Y'all see all this? Okay, let's make some water. I decided before I make the water, let's call my mama in here to see what can I throw away and what can't be thrown away. So let's call her in here. Hold on. Ma, come here. Let's see. Okay on everything, so I'm about to get started. I don't want this video to be too long, and I don't want it to really kind of slow me down. So what I think I'm finna do is bump me some tunes, turn my music up, and I think I'm finna throw everything away, make my water, and then I'm gonna, make it do what it do. So I'm gonna be back. Good old hot water. I ain't put the Clorox in yet, y'all, cause I don't Clorox make my stomach hurt. It just made me, I don't know, but I'm gonna use the Clorox in a minute, kind of off camera, cause I don't want to freak out. I hate Clorox. Yeah, see, that's everything. So now we're gonna come over here. We'll come over here. And we're finna clean it. Okay? Let's get it. Everything is shining and smelling good. I got the door done. It look like we just got the refrigerator. So now your girl finna put everything back in. It might gonna look like we ain't got no food, cause it ain't gonna be so junky. But I am done, everybody. I hope y'all, you know. I'm tired too, so if y'all hear me breathing hard, I don't do nothing, so I'm tired. But I've been cleaning up lately. I give myself that. So I'm gonna put everything back in the refrigerator, y'all. And 1, 2. Oh, let me get the syrup. If it ain't your mama, it ain't your mama. And that's on period. Ain't your mama, period. Anyways, I don't know what to put this syrup. Let me see, can I feed it over here back here somewhere? Okay, so, hold on, I gotta sneeze. I had to sneeze, I had to get off camera. I can sneeze. I need to order some refrigerator magnets for the refrigerator, because it's black, and you know we just got like stuff up here that, yeah, see my baby when he was your booka baka. Ooh, his hair know it did a 360. Look at that big old head. Hi, boo boo. Anyways, let's open the refrigerator. So it's not much in here, guys, because I told you I was going to look like it wasn't nothing in here once I cleaned it. But up there, I just got my drink. Just got some cheese, some shredded cheese, and some sliced cheese. We got some eggs. We like eggs, y'all, because, you know, protein. We got bacon. We got some butter back there. That's like my mama little section, her little stuff that she wanted. That's Tanya water jug. Don't nobody drink out of it but her. And we're going to, you know, put some more stuff down there. Right here on the door, like I told y'all, this is Logan's little section. So I have like him some juices. He got his Pedialyte milk, and that's my water. And then right here, I just put a butter right here. And I put the other one back there by the eggs. I tried to organize stuff. And then right here we have the peanut butter, the jelly, and then right here I got the pancakes and the syrup. Then right there, this my mama own chicken broth and stuff when she be cooking certain things. And then down here I got all the fun condiments. We got mustard, ketchup, mayo, sweet relish mayo, ranch dressing, pickles, and this bag right here, y'all, that's just some meal and flour and stuff. We just keep it in the refrigerator, you know how they go. But yep, that's everything.